wanted to come to the best because I knew you were the one. I have been following you for a few years, watching everything going down. I said, this is the guy. You're the big guns. I'm coming in, get my stuff fixed.
This morning I got beautiful Linda, who's 70 years young.
10 years ago, I had a lower SMAS facelift, and so I'm here to get a refresher. I've never had any filler done into my cheek area. I try to maintain excellent skin care.
Very beautiful cheeks and facial features, the jawline, bony structure is beautiful. So basically, I'm doing a preservation, deep plane face and neck lift to lift up the mid face, lower face, and neck all at once, just a refresher. And she also has elongated upper lip that I'm going to shorten that, and she's going to look amazing.
Hi, I'm Linda, and I'm about 4 days out for my procedure that was on Thursday. Feeling fantastic. Never felt bad. I only had to take a half of a pain pill the first night. The next day, I had almost all my energy. Just eating right, sleeping, drinking, and my normal self. Went for a little walk a couple times. I had my hyperbaric chambers, and that was really easy to do, and just been a lovely process, the whole entire thing. It's been a delight, super easy, and I'm very happy with it. So thank you so much.
It's only a week out.
Just a week, yeah. Yesterday was the surgery, just a week. No, it's been sensational. Like, I never felt bad. I felt like I've had my same energy that I normally have had. It's a little bit tight here, but I didn't have big bruising or anything. It's like amazing. And my neck, I didn't really have any bruising down here and all that. And it's been easy to sleep. Nothing. It's like, thank you so very much.
Of course.
Very happy.
Your energy exudes, and it transforms to others too, including me. People who start negative, there's always like bumps, a lot of bumps under.
Yeah.
People who are positive and have good juju.
Yes, right. Good juju.
And it gives the whole vibe to everybody, and I'm very glad to be a part of your journey. Yeah, and some people have issues with the healing. It's not just the things, and they're cool, they go through it, and I help them to heal, to get to the final destination. But I'm very pleased with you. You look stunning. You can go model out there, I'm telling you. I'm very happy to see her shine again.
Yes, get my shine on, get my vibe on, my young person vibe again. Not that I ever lost it, but I'm just holding on to it more.
That's right. That's true.
Right?
What I did, it was a preservation, deep plane face and neck lift, and lip lift. The lips were a little bit elongated, and I wanted to lift. These are all her natural cheeks. They're not fillers. She doesn't have any fat grafting. She doesn't have any cheek implant. She had a previous SMAS facelift and forehead lift way in the past, and she didn't have a lot of laxity. She just wanted a little tune-up because she's very active. She's not the typical 70-year-old you see out there. And
not at all.
Look how she dresses up, and she's very vibrant.
Yes. Well, I've always been young at heart. It's just living the life. I want to be around on the planet for a long time, and it's just taking care of that and maintaining it. And I was blessed to have features from my mother that I'm very proud of, and I just want to maintain that and keep that going.
A lot of people say, oh, I hate it. I look like my mom.
Yeah.
Whereas here she says, I love it because I look like my mom.
I love my mom. And my granny too. I look like my granny too. And I'm not a gatekeeper either. I'm a girly's girl, and I will give you all the deets, tell you what's not good, what's good, who to go to, all the stuff. So, and feel good. And you feel good about yourself. You step out in the world, you can dress cool, you got a good vibe going on. Right?